Hello, my friends. Today, let's learn how to speak English in rainy day. My lost umbrella. It was a rainy morning. The sky was grey. The clouds were heavy. Raindrops started to fall. Soft at first, then stronger. I looked outside. The streets were wet. People were holding umbrellas. Some umbrellas were black. Some were blue. Some were big. Some were small. I had an umbrella too. It was red. Bright red. It had a little flower on the handle. It was my favorite. I took my umbrella and left the house. I had to go to the library. I walked slowly. Rain was falling on my umbrella. The wind blew gently. The rain was cold but soft. I liked the sound of rain. It made the world quiet. At the library, I found a warm corner. I read a book. I forgot the time. I read and read. The world outside kept raining, but inside it was peaceful. After reading, I got up to leave. I walked outside. I looked around. Then I stopped. Where was my umbrella? I checked the umbrella stand. I saw many umbrellas. Black, blue, green, but not my red umbrella. I looked again. Still no red umbrella. I felt sad. Maybe someone took it by mistake. Maybe someone thought it was theirs. I waited for a few minutes. No one came. I had no umbrella now. Only the rain. I walked out into the street. Rain fell on my hair, my face, my clothes. I walked slowly. I didn't run. I didn't hide. The rain was cold, but it felt real. Like the world was talking to me. Like the sky was crying too. I passed a small bakery. The window was foggy. People inside were drinking coffee. They looked warm and dry. I kept walking, step by step. My shoes made small splashes. My hands felt cold, but my heart felt quiet. I remembered my umbrella. I missed it. Not just because it kept me dry, but because it was part of my day, part of me. I thought about things we lose. Sometimes we lose big things. Sometimes small ones. A scarf, a notebook, a pen or an umbrella. But sometimes losing something makes us notice more. The sky, the people around us, our feelings. When I got home, I changed my clothes. I made hot tea. I sat by the window. Rain was still falling, but now I was warm. I looked outside. A person walked by with a red umbrella. It looked like mine. But maybe it wasn't. I didn't run out. I didn't call them. I just watched and smiled. 'Cause maybe someone needed that umbrella today. Maybe it kept them dry. Maybe it made their rainy day better. I still miss my umbrella, but I have the memory of the rain, of the walk, of the quiet. Sometimes a small loss can bring a quiet gift. Thank you for listening today. If you like this episode, don't forget to follow, share, and come back. We will keep learning and practicing together.